Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a LENOVO Tab M10 Plus. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Next up, go into Google Assistant and here choose Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now need tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And now, how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Tap continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.